Wake up. I wake up early every day. Get dressed. I get dressed before leaving the house. Breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. Go to school. Every morning I go to school by bus. Attend classes. I attend classes from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Have lunch. We are about to have lunch. Study. I study for 2 hours every evening. Play sports. After school, I play sports with my friends. Do homework. I do my homework right after dinner. Watch TV. In the evening, I like to watch TV for relaxation. Read a book. Before bed, I always read a book. Go to bed. I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. Take a shower. I take a quick shower in the morning. Pack lunch. Before leaving, I pack my lunch for the day. Coffee. I enjoy a cup of coffee during my break. Send emails. Sending emails is part of my daily tasks. Take a break. I take a short break every hour to stretch. Exercise. I exercise for 30 minutes at the gym after work. Cook dinner. Cooking dinner is a relaxing evening activity. Clean the house. I clean the house every Saturday. Plan the week. On Sundays, I plan my activities for the week. Visit family. Sundays are for visiting family members. Take photos. I like to take photos. Bake cookies. I love baking cookies on the weekends. Go for a walk. After dinner, I often go for a walk in the neighborhood. Water plants. I water my plants every other day. Feed pets. Feeding my pets is a morning routine. Answer emails. Answering emails is part of my work routine. Drive to work. I drive to work every weekday morning. Take a nap. Sometimes I take a short nap in the afternoon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.